Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to class 3. This is the continuation of part 2. Okay, this is part 3, topic our houses and clothes, subject science. Okay, so in the previous two classes we learnt about houses. Okay, different type of houses, and today's topic we will learn about clothes. Okay, what are the clothes and why do we wear clothes? So clothes, same like how houses protect us to be safe, in the same way clothes also protect us and keep us safe. Okay, what do clothes do? They protect us. That means they protect our body and keep us safe. In similar way, like houses we will be safe from the insects. Yes, in the same way clothes protect us from insect bites and all that. Later you will learn this. Okay, so clothes protect us from the cold, yes, heat, then rain, and also from insect bites. And also clothes make us look smart and presentable, and we wear different clothes for different occasions. Okay, so clothes, how are clothes made? Clothes are made from fibers. Okay, clothes are made from what? From fibers. Fibers are nothing but they are thin thread like structures. Okay, so clothes are made from what? Clothes are made from fibers, and fibers are of two types. How many types? Fibers are of two types: natural fibers and human made fibers. Natural fibers and human made fibers. This is also called man-made fibers, the fiber which is made by man. And natural means it is available in the nature. Okay, now how it is available in the nature? We get natural fibers from two things. Okay, natural fiber is obtained from two things, that is from plants and animals. Okay, so natural fibers is obtained from whom? From plants and animals. So the fiber which we get from plant is called plant fiber, and the fiber which we get from animals is called as animal fiber. Okay, so fibers are of how many types? Two types. What are they? Natural fibers and human made fibers. Then in natural fibers we are having two types. What are they? Plant fiber and animal fiber. As the name says, plant fiber means this fiber is you are getting from the plants. Okay, to make clothes. That is from cotton plant we get cotton. Okay, from cotton plant we get cotton, and we make the cotton clothes from this. Okay, so cotton is obtained from plants. Then we have flax. Okay, this flax are one kind of seed also you will get, flax seeds. Okay, so from this you will make the bags. Like we have, this will be very thin. Nowadays we are getting, it will be very similar to jute bag. Okay, jute bag from you call it as even gunny bags. Okay, so flax seeds, the flax plants, from the stem of the flax plant we make this flax. Okay, so flax is also you are getting from the plant. And one more example, I said you jute. Jute, from the stem of the jute we make the bags. Jute bags are very easily available. Okay, then we will see animal fiber. So the fiber we get from the animals is known as animal fiber. So we get wool from here. Okay, from which animal do we get wool? From sheep, goat, camel. Yes, all these animals give us wool. Okay, so this is the animal fiber. And one more thing, silk. Silk also we get it from animals. From silkworm they make silk, and from here they will make the cloth. Okay, so plant fiber and animal fibers are the types of natural fibers. Then human made fibers or man made fibers. This is also called as synthetic fiber. Okay, what it is called as? Synthetic fiber. And this fiber you get it from, they make it from the waste of the petroleum. Okay, this is not there in your lesson. I am just telling you how they make it. They make it from the waste of the petroleum. Okay, then this synthetic fiber, from here they make materials like nylon and polyester. Okay, nylon and polyester. For example, you have your bags. Yes, they are waterproof. So the inside material, the water is not entering inside that because there is a plastic there. Okay, plastic. So that is also made from the synthetic fibers. Okay, so it is waterproof. The water will not enter inside. Even the raincoats or umbrellas, they are all made from synthetic fibers. Okay, or man-made or human-made fibers. Yes. Now next we will go to why do we wear clothes and why different clothes are worn. Okay, we wear different clothes according to seasons. Okay, or according to the place we live in. Okay, different places in India have different weather. Yes, their climate is different. Like for example, in Jammu and Kashmir, the climate is very cold. So according to that, the people there wear woolen clothes because of the climate. Okay, woolen clothes. And here during winter season we wear woolen clothes because these clothes keep our body warm. Okay, then in summer season it's very hot. So we select cotton clothes. Now why do we select cotton clothes? Because they are light and also they absorb sweat. Absorb sweat means they, you know what to say, they take in the water into the cloth. Okay, and because of that what happens, the cloth becomes wet, and if the air blows then it will make your body cool. Okay, so during summer we wear cotton clothes because cotton absorbs sweat and keeps our body cool. And during rainy season we use raincoats or umbrellas to prevent the water to enter into our body. Okay, so we are selecting the things, that is clothes, according to seasons. Okay, now next I will show you a few pictures. Yes, types of fibers: natural fiber and human made fiber. Under natural fibers we have plant fiber and animal fiber. Under plant fibers we have cotton plant. From cotton plant, how clothes are made? Like from cotton plant they pluck the cotton and then they will make it into threads. That is called cotton yarn. Okay, and from this they will send it to the factories where they make the clothes. That is, the cotton clothes are made. Okay, next we will see how the woolen clothes are made. Okay, so sheep, they will take out the fur of the sheep and then they will make woolen threads, that is woolen yarn, and from there they will make the sweaters or caps. How to keep our clothes clean? It is very important. We should keep our clothes clean. Dirty clothes smell bad. They have germs and can make us fall ill. So always we have to keep our clothes clean. Okay, now how we should make it germ free and make it clean? Wash clothes regularly with water and good detergent or soap. Dry the washed clothes in the sun. Okay, because when you spread it out in the sun, all the germs will be killed because of the heat of the sun. And iron the clothes before wearing them. If there are any insects or any germs present in the clothes, if you iron them, what happens is they become wrinkle free the cloth becomes wrinkle free, and also if there are germs there, they will get burnt and they will die. Okay, and always when you are washing the white clothes become dirty and become yellow very soon after few months of wearing. So we can add bleach to wash the white clothes, but we should only wash white clothes with the bleach, not any other colored clothes. Thank you students, we are ending this lesson now.